This is a warning. A warning especially to my country people, Jamaicans, Caribbean people. On a whole, we love the taxi. We're sick and we're going to use bush to remedy the situation. Now listen, me grew up in a country, me grew up in Jamaica. Me know it's a bush work. Well, the bush back in them the days work. But I caught a flu over 3 weeks ago. I've tried modern medicine. I've tried bush medicine. More than modern, bush. You understand? People, it didn't work. Well, I'm not going to say it didn't work. It worked somewhat, but not fully. And I sit here, and I'm here babying it, right? Literally. That, oh, it's going to go away. 2 nights ago, I'm lying in the bed. I could hardly breathe. I tried to sleep, and it was like, take a deep breath. It was painful. So, everybody keep telling me, go to the emergency room. I finally took everybody's warning. And I went to the emergency room. When I went, they tried to take my blood pressure. I was coughing so bad. Excuse me. That they couldn't even, the machine couldn't take my pressure. They tried 3-4 times, could not take my pressure. Then they tried to take my temperature, same thing, because I was coughing. She had to try back a 4th time, and she finally get it. When she get it, it was 170/84. So it was high. They gave me a steroid shot, and then they put me in a breathing machine to help clear up, to help me breathe a little bit better. Did an x-ray. The x-ray showed that I had bronchitis and a titsy bit of pneumonia coming on. They caught it just in time. You know what's so funny about these people? Today is actually the actual anniversary of my dad's passing. My dad passed from a mild case of pneumonia. 3 weeks ago when I got sick, I was sleeping and I dreamed that my dad came to me and he rested his hand on my head and he prayed for me. What are the chances that I end up in the hospital on this very day that was his anniversary and find out the same thing that he died from could have contributed to mine as well? If that ain't God working, I don't know what is. I'm gonna say to you, wear your mask. This kind or this kind. Protect yourself. Protect your family, friends, relatives. Because there's some nasty ass virus going on out there, people. And this ain't no joke. It's a new strain of COVID that's out there that's mimicking a cold. And you get it and you think it's just a cold, but it's not. If you get sick, go to the hospital. If you have that severe coughing, go and don't sit and wait like me. Please let me be the lesson that you never have to learn. Okay? Have a blessed day.
Hi guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. I really hope you are doing fine wherever you are. Okay guys, there is a flu that's going on in Jamaica and a lot of people are very sick, and we are just praying to God. May God please have mercy on our brothers and sisters who are living in Jamaica, because right now everything is a mess and we should just pray for them to be better. And I just want you to watch this clip so that at least we can spread, or at least we can make this clip go viral, because a lot of people have really come out and talk about this flu. Kindly watch this clip till the end and then I'll be back with more comments.
I don't know where this a flu where come from, brother. But this is not just a regular flu. I feel like spiritual warfare, brother. I'm weak, I'm numb, my throat is on fire. I feel like I don't know myself. This will kill you.
Guys, if you can, please wear your mask, okay? If I'm not say COVID or whatever, but this flu that is going around, it is something different. We got an advisory to wear our mask in all areas as much as possible. Like if I have 15 patients for the day, I can guarantee that at least 9 out of the 15 I will have the flu. And the flu that's going around now is not responding to the flu vaccine that they gave out earlier on last year. Like, is very resistant to traditional methods of treating the flu too. So please wear a mask, keep on a distance from people where and a cough and then where they no, protect on yourself, because I don't know what kind of flu it is, but it's dangerous.
People, I don't know what kind of flu it is. In all of me almost 30 years on earth, I've never experienced a flu like this. May I tell you, say, at the longest me ever go with flu. Normally, like day 3, me get better. You tell me, say, 6 days now, I'ma still have the flu. I'ma try everything I possibly can. Take much in pills, much in vitamin C, drink much in liquid. I'm still sick. Like, what the hell? What kind of flu this? I've never experienced this before, and no matter how much things it'll get better, it's like it is getting worse. Like, me not feel no better than how I feel 6 days ago. No man, that flu you need to investigate, cause this not normal. This is not normal flu.
I don't know if I be alone, but can you guys see my eyes right now? Like, I don't know if I'm alone, but after them party there, we'll pick up a dirty sickness. Like, I don't know if I see me, I don't know if I the picnic party I go, or I don't know, but like, I have been dying all week. Like, me literally just get the strength for I say, I catch one flu. Catch one flu, you see? I don't know what kind of flu this, but I don't know normal flu this. I have, in all my years of getting flu, I have never had a flu that was fluing like this flu. Because you see, this flu, yeah, it give me some pain way. I never know muscle pain. This a pain I go down in my bone. I feel like a whole somebody that it feel. You see, when me get up, me hip them hurt me. If me feel lift up my hand so too much, me have to put it down back because my hand cannot manage. Me say when me asleep at night time, me have to sit down up in the bed. Luckily, I went the cushion bed head then me have. So it kind of soft like a pillow because I couldn't breathe. Me couldn't walk. If me go into the shower, go bathe, merciful savior down to the water, hit my skin, hurt me. I don't know what that flu is that was fluing, but I have never had a flu that flew like that before. Master, me I tell you say, me lose must about 5 pounds. Me can't beat the flu. And me alone or the whole Jamaica. No man, something the flu you not flu right at all.
Hi guys, welcome back once again. I really hope you have watched the full clip, and it's really high time. A lot of people should take care of themselves and take some precaution, because this message needs to spread around in Jamaica, because this flu is making a lot of people to go through a lot. They are really complaining of how they can't even take anything, and it's really high time. A lot of people have really came out with a lot of advice and that saying, or they are warning my Jamaican brothers and sisters that do not take the flu shot no matter what happens. They are telling people that if even if you can be infected by this flu that's still going on in Jamaica, and I have heard that it's not only in Jamaica, it's also in Barbados. They are telling the Jamaican people that not do not take the flu shot, because it may be make it to be kind of worse, or they may be just taking your money that you have been saved, because a lot of people, they are saying that these people or these things ain't work at all. And here are some of maybe advice, and people are saying that people beware of the times. It's chemical warfare for population control. Use up to know any homemade remedy and pray. I do not use any homemade remedy. And one thing I really know about my Jamaican brothers and sisters is how they have strong faith when it comes to God. You just have to pray, and a lot of people I really believe they will also be praying for you, because right now we have all seen everything is kind of mess, and my Jamaican people, they are really going through a lot, and it's really high time we put them in our prayers. And another person really came out and said that wearing a mask while having a cough and pneumonia is biological, and it can also maybe give you pneumonia. So a lot of people are really came in and say that if it's better to wear a mask, but other people are saying that do not wear a mask because maybe for your health care issues. Another person really came out and said that I already put out some advice on this topic, but don't seems to be able to understand the heart quick that went to Jamaica is the reason why you are having all those problems with respiratory problems, coughing, and those flu you are going through. Boil garlic, ginger, put lemon juice and mix with a little honey. Drink some, preferable at night. Boil your drinking water if you are using water from the pipe. Garlic is antibiotic. Drink cornmeal porridge to help build your immune. It will help if you take the white rum or buy rum and sap your head and most of your body when you are going to bed. Drink a lot of purified water. If you can't afford the bottled water, bottled water, boil your water before drinking. And I even said they need to check those people who is coming into the country, and the Jamaican government must do what is necessary to protect the citizen in the country, and stop laying ears to the resident in the country. What is your government doing about that to protect the resident? I'm very heartbroken to hear what is happening to the resident. I'm so heartbroken to hear what you are going through. I pray to God He will help you all as soon as possible. I'm praying for you all. This is a message from our Jamaican brother, and it's really praying for you. And he's saying that it's really high time the government also to protect the people or the resident or the local people from Jamaica. It's really high time they investigate who is coming and going out of Jamaica, because we all know right now there's a lot of things that are really going on, and there's no way that maybe we can't just prove other things. But it's really high time our Jamaican brothers to protect themselves, and also the government also to come in and protect their resident, or to protect their local people, because they're the ones who should do these things. They're the ones who should make sure that people are getting clean water. They're the ones who should make sure that there's enough medicine in the country. They're the ones who should make sure that all people are being treated equally. Another person actually came out and said that all I can help the people with the sun will help a lot. The sun will also kill it, and don't drink nothing cold. Yeah, especially this flu doesn't need anything that is cold. Anything that really can help you is that maybe by drinking hot, like hot tea, and sweating is good. The more you sweat, the more you are killing it. And just make sure you are on the sun and maybe take something hot, maybe tea. And ginger plus garlic and lemon juice and honey or brown sugar, it's really helping a lot. Raspberry jelly, preferable with the seeds, used with hot water or in tea. Break that fever. Make sure you wrap yourself in a blanket or comforter. Yeah, make sure you are in a very warm place so that at least it will prevent you maybe from this, maybe flu from getting worse. And one thing I just want to tell my Jamaican brothers and sisters that take precaution. It's high time you take precaution and maybe prevent yourself from getting this flu, especially for those old people. Wear a mask, take the precaution measures. Anything you drink, make sure, maybe if you are drinking water, make sure that the water is so clean, and more so make sure it's so hot so that at least it can really prevent you maybe from getting this flu. And another person really came out and said that ganja and ram kill pneumonia instantly and kill bell like the same. Yeah, a lot of Jamaica they're saying that ganja, this one has really made me to laugh. Ganja. We all know the history of Rastafari in Jamaica. Let me just not talk about it. But another person actually came out and said that ganja also kill pneumonia. So guys, we just want this video to go viral. We just want our Jamaican brothers and sisters to take precaution, and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any advice to those people, let me know what you think in the comment section. And if it was the first time you come across my video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your time, and may God bless you whenever you are. Don't forget to pray. Let me see you in the next clip.